In today's video, we are going to replace everything on this phone. This is an old phone. This is S9 Plus. As you can see, this is S9 Plus, and we have to replace this back cover. We have to also replace the screen. As you can see, this is the screen already here. This is the screen that I'm going to use. This is not the original. This is the copy. There's another problem. It depends on the customer's choice. The customer tell you to use this one, you cannot refuse. So as you can see, this is not really, it's not more curved. You can see it is flat. Now why this is curved. So without wasting time, we put our phone on the heating machine to heat the back cover. As you can see, so you take your time and heat the back cover very well. I'll remove my phone and use my blade to lift the back cover. Also, I use this. If it's too hard, I'll use this. Separate it very well because the gum is still holding it firm. Yes, after it, take your time and remove all the screws here. I'll unscrew it. Okay. Circuit. This is it. Disconnect the fingerprint here. Remove this one. And remove this one, screw here. Remove your fingerprint. Now, we can remove this one here. Good. Now we need to remove our SIM card tray. Comment on boss? Tu es venu me donner l'argent? Tu ne me dois plus. Disconnect the screen. Alors, c'est 20 000 francs. C'est comment alors? Le téléphone là donne. Bon. Quel? Tu vas prendre la carte mais où? Hein? Yeah. Je ne sais pas encore. Hein. Quoi même? Quoi? Je mets l'afficheur tout. Hey! Quand c'est comme ça, ne vas tu vendre comme un téléphone neuf?
Un deuxième téléphone.
Ah, c'est un beau ça.
Peut-être qu'on peut m'appeler là, donc on va mon dossier.
There are things that are important. You need to remove this charging port and all of this earphone jack, all of them, and put on the new screen. You need this one. There is a sensor. You need to remove it and also put it on the new screen, and then the vibrator, and then the all speaker. So that's what we are going to do now. So take your time. So you bring your old screen. This is your old screen. This is my new screen. This is my old screen. I'm going to remove it from here and putting on this one. So I'll start on this one. And let me start from there. Yeah. Take your time and lift it. Lift it carefully. This is the core speaker. Use it. Take your time and remove it. Good. On the new screen, remove this paper that is there, and then as the speaker, you speak the speaker. Good. Number one completed. Now go to the vibrator. To remove vibrator, take your time. Take your time and lift it, because there's always a gum under that is holding the vibrator. Use it. The new screen, you just fit it here. Good. This is number 2 done. And then the third one, I'm going to remove this one. So you lift it from the corner. Good. Good. No problem. Then you bring it here. And then this is how to fit it here. Your time. Good. After that, this is the last one that we have to do. Remove this part, all of this part. We start by removing this jack. You disconnect it from here, and then you press it up. Good. Is it? So now I'll keep it. Come to this one. I will lift it, but not high, because it is connected to this one. Disconnected to this one. Remove this one. Disconnect it. This is it. And then you lift it very well from down up. Always make sure you bring it up this way. Bring it like this. Remove it. This is it. Then coming back, here I need to place it that way, and then slip it on the floor, on the front floor. This is it. And then I need to make sure this one enters very well. Good. Slips, that's the place. This is it. Now I'll fit back my earphone jack and connect it. So this is good. This one is already connected. Good. So now Let me now find my motherboard. I will start by connecting this part, connecting the motherboard down here. Connect the motherboard. Connect it very well. This is it. Already connected. This cable not disturb me. Yes. And then slip it this way. Good. And then make sure to, oh yes, good. Remove this one. Good. As you can see, this is it. Well placed. Now I can connect this one up. This one I connect the screen. Let me connect this cable first. Good. Let me. Good. And this one here. And then I'll bring it this and connect it here. Good. Now is the screen that is left. My time. Put my screen. See, is it well connected? Good. Next thing now is to fit my front cameras. This is it. Small one on the left. Put it in the hole before connecting it. Put the bigger one and fit it first. So connect it on a motherboard. This is how it goes. And then now fit the battery. Press it to fit enter and then connect your battery. Now this is the one to cover this place and where the speaker is. So I'll take my time, put it down. Now good. See, this is it. Your time to for it to enter very well. This is it. Now we need this other one. Good. Please put it second. Let me just use one screw. Hold it. Screw. Put it here. Yes. And now Let me fill this one. One I need to fill now. And then use one. That's two. Hold it here. Then connect my fingerprint. Place it. Connect it there. Perfect. Now let me put another screw here. Another one here. Now this is my phone. Guys, as you can see, the only thing left now is the back cover. So I need to use this one. Put it like this. Use it. With the old one, because I still need to go to the market to look for the new back cover. First, we did not have a plan to. Then let me fit the SIM tray. Good, perfect. As you can see, this is a new phone. Not of this part, the phone will be just new. So, and that's it, guys. So hope you learned something. I always tell you, this is the most easy work in phone repairs. When you want to replace parts, it is the most easy work. So now I can see the other side left is no more that important, because we just need to look for that back cover and then apply our gum and then cover it. That's all. So I hope you learned something, and if you have any question about any other phone, any other thing, or anything you want us to repair, put in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.